Big Frankie, welcome in. I'm stalling. I may actually stall this for the entire stream. I may just do 3 hours of intro. And then at the end being like, well, we've run out of time. No time for Wallace and Gromit today, but I will definitely do it next week, I promise. Intro stream, let's go. I don't think I've got the energy to do a full intro stream. I feel a bit all over the place today, which is why I'm stalling. I don't know if I've got the mental capacity to go into the hardcore cut and thrust of Wallace and Gromit. I will walk past your house to play the game myself. Need some olives to perk myself up. I really should have made a coffee. Don't share the clip of me sneezing. No one watch that. No one watch that, please. It's got to be finished or binned. Bob, you are a harsh mistress. It's not the best. Oh. You know what it is? Sorry to break this to break this down. It's this small face of terror. It's that small face of fear after I've sneezed. Hang on. Oh my god. Why do I do this shit? Why do I could just be watching TV. I could just have a normal fucking hobby, chat. I could just have a normal hobby, but instead I do whatever the fuck this is. I might make this my desktop wallpaper. Oh. No, not a new emote. We're not making that as an emote. I am just gonna have it. I am gonna have it in the background though for a bit. Instead you have people paying to watch you sneeze. Yep, it's a weird world that I find myself in. Big Frankie, by the way, how are you doing today? Sunflower Bub, have you regained consciousness after yesterday's marathon binge drinking session that you said you had? Which you claimed was just, you didn't sleep. If only Edward Munch would be alive today. Who's Edward Munch? Who's Edward Munch? I had 2 drinks, okay. Oh god, what's this one? Is this another time I sneezed on camera? Oh, I've got no more of the cock. No. Cock. I've not got, no. I had 2 drinks. Okay. Look, whatever makes you feel sleep better. What is it? Edward Munch holds the record for the world's biggest sneeze. Kills his wife with accident on the sneeze. I don't think a man has killed his wife on accident with a sneeze. If anyone's gonna kill a woman, it's this sneeze here. Oh my god. Fuck, why do I do shit like this? Over here.
Luxury pigeon.
I was just seeing if I had any spinach in my teeth.